Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your YouTube is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you have any VPN connector. If you have any VPN, you have to try to disconnect with that. Then you have to go for software update, and you have to also make sure that you have any pending software update here. If you have any pending software update, try to update your software. Then you have to go back, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, you will get a pop-up confirmation message to reset your network settings. So you must have to reset your network setting. It will not delete your data, so it might be that there have been a error into your network settings, so it will fix in this step. And then you have to go for App Store, search for YouTube here. And you have to also make sure that you haven't any pending update available for your YouTube app, or if you have any pending update like that, you have to try to update your YouTube app. Once you have updated, you have your issue will be fixed. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for YouTube here. Once you get the YouTube, you just have to try to offload your app. Try on offload, then tap on offload app, and once you have uploaded your app, you have to try to reinstall apps. It might be that there will be any bug into your YouTube app, so it will fix in this step. And once your app has been reinstalled, you can easily use your YouTube app without any issues. So in this way, you can easily fix if your YouTube app is not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.